Technical Committee on Research, TCR Service Award is established in 2008 to recognize those members who have contributed greatly to AATCC in a technical capacity. The award is presented each year at the International Conference to a senior member with at least 5 years continuous membership in AATCC who has contributed outstanding technical service to the association through his or her activity in a research committee within the past 5 years. The recipient of this award receives a plaque and $500. Selection is by unanimous choice of the 2020 TCR Service Award Committee. I serve on this committee as Chair of the Executive Committee on Research, along with John Crocker, Chair of the Technical Committee on Research, and Erica Simmons, Secretary of the Technical Committee on Research. So this year, I'm honored to present the TCR Service Award to Steve Simonson. The American Association of Textile Chemists and Colorists honors Richard Stephen Simonson for his long-term leadership and support of the RA 106 UV Protective Textiles Committee. And although I script to say Steve's done a lot of other committee stuff besides 106, his work is all over many, many, many standards used internationally, nationally. So he's done a lot of other things with 106. Congratulations. Did I say his name? No. So please join me in congratulating Steve Simonson as this year's recipient of the TCR Service Award.